Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Claude AI chat link. So first of all, come here on Claude.ai, then hover over to the left hand side and click on that particular chat which you want to share. Now, when you are here inside the chat or the conversation, on the top right hand corner, you will see this type of share button. So you can just simply click on this particular share button and you can decide whether you want to keep it private or you want to create a public link. Now, since you want to share it, you need to click on the option of create a public link. This way it is going to generate this type of shareable link for you. So you need to click on the option of copy link, and now you can share this link with anyone you want. Anyone who has this link will be able to view the snapshot of the chat, including all the messages and the artifacts that were already in the conversation when you shared it. Now, if you want to see how many shares you have made, you can just simply hover over to the left hand side again, then click on your profile icon in the bottom left hand corner. Afterwards, simply click on the option of settings. Now, when you are inside the settings of Claude, click on the option of privacy, then scroll down and look for the option of shared chats. Now over here, when you click on the option of manage, you are going to see all of the chats that you have shared. Now, if you want to delete any of the shared chats, you can also click on the option of delete and it is going to be basically deleted from here. So that's how you can share a Claude AI chat link. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.